Welcome to the Sienna POS Ticket System Bartender Entering Activity How-To video for version 2. We will begin by showing you the different areas of the main POS menu. This is the category and subcategory area of the system. The main food and drink categories and subcategories will be available for you to select in this area. Next is the items for sale area. Items appear in this area in alphabetical order, top to bottom and left to right. Next is the active sale and last sale order area. When you select items that are being purchased, the item and item costs will appear in this area. We begin by selecting the drinks category from the category area of the system. The drink subcategories now appear in the category area. You will also notice that all of the drinks appear in alphabetical order, top to bottom and left to right. We will now touch the $2.50 liquor item by touching the $2.50 liquor button. Notice the item selected appears in the active sales section. We will now touch our next item, which is Chivas. Notice the Chivas item appears in the active sales section. The most recent items selected will always be at the top. We will now touch our next item, which will be coffee. Notice coffee appears in the active sales section. We will now touch Crown. Crown now appears at the top of the active sales section. The customer is now ready to complete their purchase, so we will now touch Pay. The payment record window opens. You can manually enter the amount tendered, or you can use the quick payment buttons on the right side of the screen. In this example, we will select the $20 quick entry amount tendered. If the customer wanted a receipt, we would touch Confirm and Print. In this example, the customer does not want a receipt, so we will complete the sale by touching Confirm. The total cost, amount tendered and change amounts are all left on the screen, as the sale will remain in the active sale window until a new sale is started or until the user leaves the POS menu screen. We will now leave the POS menu screen and go to the area where we can enter ticket sales and payouts by touching Go to Tickets. This is the Sienna Ticket Games screen. Currently there are games active and present in the Bar Games 1 tab and also the Machine Games 1 tab. The Sienna Ticket screen can have up to 8 combined bar game tabs and or machine game tabs. With up to 48 games on each tab, that gives Sienna the ability to have as many as 384 games active at one time. We will now select the Liquid Assets game that is listed in the Machine Games tab. The Machine Game Ticket Transactions screen opens. Notice you can only enter payouts for machine games. This is because the machine is selling the tickets for this game. We will now use the quick entry buttons and select $10. Next we will touch the payout button, which will complete this ticket payout entry. We will now touch the Joe Bistro machine game. Next we select the $20 quick entry button. Finally we touch the payout to complete the $20 Joe Bistro payout entry. Next we will enter ticket bar game activity. We will select the Bar Game 1 tab. We will now show you how to enter a ticket exchange transaction. An exchange transaction is when a customer has a winning ticket payout, for example $5, and they wish to purchase $5 worth of tickets for the same game in which they have the winning payout. Exchange can only be used for the same amount paid out and sold and must be the same game. We proceed by touching the Office Owl's bar game. The Office Owl ticket transactions screen opens. We will touch $20 from the quick entry area. We will then touch Exchange button, which will log a $20 sale and $20 payout for the Office Owl game. We will now touch the Wise Buds game. Next we will touch the quick entry $5 button. We finish entering this $5 Wise Buds game sale by touching the sale button. If you make a mistake when entering ticket sales, payouts or exchanges, you can correct your mistake by touching the log button. The log window opens. The log window will allow users to edit and or view the last 50 ticket sales, payouts and or exchanges. The most recent sale, payout or exchange entered will be listed at the top of the window. If you would like to edit or delete a ticket sale, payout or exchange transaction, you would select the edit button to the right of the entry. Notice the exchange transaction is showing as yes in red in the exchange column. This is to help you identify exchanges so that if you have to delete or modify the amount of the entries, you will need to delete or modify both entries. We will now close the log screen by touching the X on the upper right corner of the log window. We will now return to the Bar POS menu by selecting Go to Bar. That concludes this Sienna POS Ticket System Bartender Entering Activity How-To video for version 2. We will be posting additional how-to videos soon. Thank you.